Alright, welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. Gonna finish up the swing set portion of this. I am doing the version where it's actually attached to the swing set. I've got it laid out. You really haven't missed anything yet. I just got the bolts in the holes. I had to go get some wrenches. Let's get this put together. So this plate covers up that bolt. Apparently that bolt helps with the strength of this. It says checking, whatever that is. Okay, so this little bit of an angle on here has to be pitching up. And these go into the side. Somewhere, somehow, a little ways down, about right here. So yeah, you're gonna need some room. There we go. Alright, so this board goes on here on this side. Again, that taper is still facing up over there. They want you to put those two bolts in on the end down there, but the T-nuts are on the back side, so if you can think to do that before you assemble the rest, you won't have to stand it up and pound them in while it's inconvenient. Okay, so now this has got to get flipped up again because the bolts have got to go in from the other side. So there is some finagling here to do. I'm going to stand it up and lean it up against the play set. This isn't wanting to line up the best. I've already got those bolts at the top tight. Ties this all together. I'm not sure you really want to tighten those until you get this together. And then the T-nut falls out. Awesome. See, I'm doing a lot of stuff by myself. It usually says 2 persons for these things, but some of these steps, but you can, a lot of it, if you're inventive, you can get it done by yourself. I am not going to tighten these until I get it lined up there. You want to have a little bit of room, I imagine. Same thing. This one here, I'm sure has to be flush with the end, so there's probably no reason I can't tighten this one. Now I got to put these blocks on the stand. Then I'll come back and do the step where it says to attach these 2 pieces together. Well, I kind of need a second person to do that. And once I get that together, since I'm attaching it to the swing set, I want to be able to set it right in place. So I'm going to attach this support pieces first, so that I'm ready to go once I get to that point. So let me find this block real quick and get that on the swing, up on the playground. I had some help, but basically we stood this thing up and put the bracket on right there on the ground. It's all lined up, ready to go. All right, so we tipped that up there, and I went and like pre-installed the 2 brackets on the outside, thinking it would make it easier, but actually it bound a little bit, so really didn't help it at all. Definitely put the bottom bracket on like they recommend. I guess they do show in the instructions to do it toward the end here, but you make sure they're super loose if you do it, because they really bound. But all that's together, and now it's just a matter of putting the swings on there, and then the girls will have their swing set all done. So when you're doing these quick links, the ones that have the threaded lock on here, these go on the seats. All right, so I figured out how to get these in here. There's a large chamfer on the one side. If you put that toward where this screw is, or the threaded part is, put that in there, it'll tuck right in. Well, this one actually slides in, but the other one wouldn't slide in at all. That seemed to work really well. Go ahead and sit on there, see if it works. That's for hanging. Can you do it? Try it.
There you are.
Pull yourself. Good job.
Look at you, big girl.
Can you get in the swings now? Linda, is Luna pushing you? Luna, can you get in your own swing now? Can you try it? You can't? Oh, okay. Show me how you can do the hanging bars. Good job. Good job. Linda's swinging, Nana.
Yep, she's not scared of swings. Luna's a little scared of them.
No, she was swinging from the hangers.
Oh.
Having fun on your play set?
Yeah.
What are you doing, playing with a bug?
Yeah. I suck.
What are you doing, Luna?
I just
Linda, do you have a fire pole now?
Yeah.
You do. It was actually pretty easy to install. I didn't show that. Just a couple of bolts up here, and then pole goes in and the anchor's into the ground. It was actually pretty easy to do. Basically, I just kind of put my weight on the pole and push it into the ground, and then that anchor holds it from moving left and right. Pretty straightforward. Let's make sure there's an adult helping you. Hold on. Let Papa help you. I don't want you falling. Okay, now we talked about this. Okay, grab a hold tight and go. Grab a hold tight and then get your legs on here. Don't grab Papa. He's going to grab you. Grab the pole. You're fine.
I did. Watch me.
Okay, go. There you go. See? You're going to go slow. Okay, wait, get out of the way, Luna. Linda's coming. Okay, Linda, grab the pole. Go slowly. Whoa. Still need some help, but they'll get it after a while.
I'll get it.
All right, so pretty successful playground here. The girls are loving it. I just got to put some away the extra stuff. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate all the support on the previous video. Like, comment, subscribe, all those great things. If you have any questions about the construction, I'd be glad to answer them if I can. Thanks again, and you guys have a great day.